How to create an eBay seller account with managed payments. Hello, and welcome to our channel, Whizz. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create an eBay seller account with managed payments. So please watch till the end to properly understand this tutorial. To start selling on eBay, you will need to have an account on it. But if you already do, then you can use this sign in button to log in. And if you still don't have an account, just click the register button. This is the sign up page of eBay. First, you have to select the type of account. eBay has two types of account, which is the personal account and the business account. If you have a registered business, then I recommend you to continue with a business account. It's simply because you can get more tools compared to the personal account. Here, you have to fill in your business name, your email address, password, and your business location from this drop-down menu. And guys, if you just want to buy and not sell, here on eBay, you may click this button that says, I only want to buy on eBay, I don't want to sell. And finally, click the register button. After registering successfully, you will be taken to your dashboard, which is also called My eBay. Here's a quick tour of this page. Here, on the top right side, you can see your eBay username, which was automatically generated after creating your eBay account. In the top of the left sidebar, you have three different tabs for activity, messages, and account. Under the activity tab, you can access the tabs for summary, recently viewed, bids and offers, purchases, watch list, saved searches, saved sellers, and selling. Under the messages tab, you can communicate with buyers, sellers, or even with eBay. It's just like a mailbox. Under the account tab, you'll have different sections. Under the personal info section, you can access the page's personal information, sign in and security, addresses, feedback, and request your eBay data. Under the payment information section, you have payments and PayPal account. Under account preferences, you have advertisement preferences, communication preferences, and close account. And under the selling section, you have the seller dashboard. Now, let's demonstrate how you can list the products on your eBay store. Click the Activity tab and then expand the Selling tab. Then, you can see tabs for Overview, Sell an Item, Drafts, Scheduled, Active, Sold, Unsold, and Payments. Click the Overview tab. You will be taken to the My eBay Selling Overview page. On this page, you will see the number of active listing number of items sold and the number of unsold items. And here, you will see the total earnings in the last 90 days. Now, click the Sell an Item tab. This is eBay's seller page. On this page, you will find all the details about the eBay seller account. Before starting to sell on eBay, it is recommended that you should know the three basic things, or we can say three basic steps. The first is List your item, in which you can list new or unused items and pay a final value fee only when it sells. The second is get seller protection, in which you will be protected by policies, monitoring, and customer service team. And lastly, choose when you get paid. You can schedule either daily payouts, and eBay will deposit your earnings directly to your bank account. To start listing a product, click the List an Item button on eBay. You can list your item in just 3 steps. The first is to type keywords like the brand, the model, or any other details like ISBN, MPN on the bin. The second is to choose from possible matches to help jumpstart your listing. And the last step is preview. Make changes and then list your item. Here, you need to specify what product you're going to sell. Enter the product's name. We're going to create this listing for, let's say, watch. And then click the search icon on the next page. eBay will suggest to use some of the top products matching your product's name. Scroll down to check your product in the list. And if your product is not in the list, then click the Continue Without Match. Select the proper option here. We're going ahead with New with Tags. And then click the Continue Listing button. This is the listing page where you need to specify all the details and the description of your product. From here, you can upload photos or videos. You can choose up to 24 photos or videos. Here, enter the title of your product. Then, select the category by scrolling down. Its item specifics, either condition, brand, type, or department. Scroll down and fill in all the required details and specifications. And once you're done, you can click the Preview button to have a look at the listing of your product, and you can use this to save for later button to save the listing as a draft. And if you want to list the product right now, then click the List with Displayed Fees. Then your product will be listed for selling. Now, let's add the payment method to our eBay account. Click My eBay at the top of the page, then click the Account tab. On this page, under the Payment Information section, click Payments. After clicking the Continue button on this page, you can search your payment methods. Click the Add Payment option button. A pop-up window opens and you may find all the payment methods that are available for your country. Go ahead and select your preferred payment method. And once you've selected, click the Continue button. For me, I'll be choosing the credit or debit. Then, if you click the PayPal account tab, under the Payment Information tab in the left sidebar, you will see a notice that says the ability to link a PayPal account is no longer available. However, any previously linked account remains active. If you're unable to create a revised listing due to this update, disable the Require Immediate Payment with Buy It Now option in the listing. And with this, we are done with our tutorial. Again, we are Whizz, happy to help. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!